Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm learns patterns and structures in data without explicit guidance or labeled examples. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is not provided with any specific target or output variable to predict. Instead, it analyzes the input data and attempts to find inherent patterns or relationships among the data points. The main goal of unsupervised learning is to discover hidden structures or patterns within the data, such as clusters, associations, or latent variables. It can be used for tasks such as clustering, anomaly detection, dimensionality reduction, and generative modeling. The most common techniques used in unsupervised learning are clustering. This involves grouping similar data points together based on their inherent characteristics. The algorithm identifies patterns or clusters within the data without any prior knowledge of the classes or labels. Dimensionality reduction. This technique aims to reduce the number of features or variables in a dataset while preserving the important information. It helps in visualizing high-dimensional data or preparing data for other machine learning tasks. Anomaly detection. The goal is to identify rare or abnormal instances in a dataset. Anomalies are data points that significantly deviate from the expected or normal behavior. Unsupervised learning algorithms can be used to detect such anomalies. Association rule learning. This technique aims to find interesting relationships or associations between different variables in a dataset. It discovers patterns such as if X, then Y, or X is frequently associated with Y. Generative modeling. Unsupervised learning can also be used to model the underlying probability distribution of the data and generate new instances similar to the training data. Examples of generative models include autoencoders, Gaussian mixture models, and generative adversarial networks, GANs. Unsupervised learning algorithms explore the inherent structure of the data, making it useful when dealing with large datasets where manual labeling would be time-consuming or impractical. By uncovering hidden patterns, unsupervised learning can provide valuable insights and facilitate further analysis or decision-making processes.